What's going on, guys? Your boy Chopper back at it with another vlog. I've been a little late on these. I've been slacking a lot on these. I know. It's probably gonna be like almost a year since I've uploaded one or something like that. But anyways, we're back in it. We're gonna try to get everything rolling again on these vlogs. But today is the day we're leaving to Albuquerque, New Mexico, like we did last year, to go to that New Mexico Truck Fest show up there with the boy Nico. So it's gonna be me, my primo Alvaro, my brother, my primo Rudy, and the boy Rubio. You can see I'm still here at work. Crossroads. Have a good time up there, you know, just us boys. Y'all stay tuned for this vlog.
I didn't even light up.
What's going on, boys? Your boy Chavo back at it in this vlog. And well, right now you can see I'm getting a fade, getting show ready. My boy Rudy over there already got him a fade.
Ven pa' acá, Rudy, let me check it out. A la verga, do a 360 for me. A la verga.
Nah, but this time I brought my brother. We got a personal barber here. So
Yeah.
got a haircut up here in Burke. We got rolls up here, dog. So we gotta get show ready. I still got Rubio. Still got to get his haircut. We still got a little while till we get to the show. But y'all relax. Y'all sit down, get some popcorn, and get ready for the vlog.
Yes,
I'll catch
sir.
y'all in a minute. What's up, boys? Oh shit, it's not focusing right. We're gonna go and wash the truck, get show ready. Oh shit. Anyway, we up here in Burke, and it's feeling good outside. I feel good. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a good one today. We're gonna go wash our trucks. We'll get something to eat. Come back. My brother's still fading up the other homie, Alexis Rubio, and that motherfucker. And well, yeah. We out here washing his truck. Gotta get him ready. How you feeling, Rudy?
I'm feeling good,
Feels good, huh? Feels good out here. Everybody's already getting their whip. We got homeboys over here, 63 and Paula out here and shit. Woo-wee. But we out here getting so ready. Check that out, check that out, check that out, check that out. Ooh, yeah, boys. So ready. Welcome back to the vlog, my boys, and all of us here. What's up? What's up?
What's
Got a beautiful view. And I think it's time before the show time. Let's get a cracked up photo. I got it.
Damn boy.
We got a beautiful view out here. Albuquerque's fucking badass. All right, here we go.
Shit, here we go.
Cheers. Yeah, check it out.
Oh, damn. You next. Woo!
Mira. Ah, cara, estás en 4K.
Damn.
Y'all don't need a taster, nigga?
Fuck no.
I do. Fuck that.
Come on, make it in your mouth. Ah, there it is.
That shit was good.
You're stupid.
You know?
Yes,
This
sir.
Now it's time for the cameraman. Let's get it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Ah, échala pues, échale.
Fuck it.
Yes.
How you?
I'm feeling fucking great,
nigga.
I'm feeling good.
That shit hit me hard as fuck, nigga.
Yeah.
Rustin, it's alright.
It's alright. Hey. Hey.
Are they
Better
stealing
fall
your
off and
truck?
shit.
Nah, we just waited on my big brother.
Big brother.
We just waited on Carnal over there to get ready and shit. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here in Albuquerque. It feels good as fuck. It's a fucking perfect day for a show. Get it.
Let's go check out the boy, yeah.
Let's Got anything up here? I got my card.
Dale. Lucy, I got you. I'm an expert at this.
Hey,
Ahí está, güey.
It's
Dile
foggy
WhatsApp
as
al
fuck.
vlog. Este güey taking forever. Hurry up, man.
You waiting on you, but yeah.
God damn, boy.
Hey, mira.
That motherfucker's
Mira.
fucking looking at that. A la verga. God damn, that boy has foggy as fucking that motherfucker.
Hey, but here we go. It's show day. Let's get it. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
And we hit the road, boys.
It is 2 o'clock, and we're back on the show because everybody had to get a fade. We had to get ready. But now look at us. We all ready. We all fucking All
Nice
pipiri
aquí.
nice, all pipiri nice.
Mira, leer, güey, mira la nalgona back there.
Anda
Shit.
bien pipiri nice todo de la verga.
Toda la
Pues, ¿qué
raza.
tiene? Andamos de burque y
Yeah, no prisa.
hay que disfrutar
Oh,
la
oh, oh.
vida. What?
Nah, just go.
Anyway,
Go
well,
ahead.
yeah, we headed to the show. Just up the road, I believe, no?
I hope so.
Hope so. What's up, boys? We back into the vlog. Le vamos a mandar un saludo a Scarface over there studying by himself. Vámonos.
Boy.
Man, the turbo's in the back. It's under the truck. It's in there somewhere. ¿Qué onda, viejo? ¿Cómo andamos? Bien, bien. ¿Y usted?
Akira,
Quiero mandar un saludo a Portal Nuevo México.
un saludo para toda la raza de Nuevo México, Albuquerque y los alrededores, que se dejaron venir para acá para el show porque están con madre.
Sí, a huevo.
Es otro pedo, es otro
También
pedo.
el Gómez de Vlog.
Oh shit, el Gómez Vlog.
Oh shit.
Make sure you check it out, subscribe, like, drop a comment, check out his content porque está con madre el pedo.
Vámonos. A poner por madre.
Hell yeah.
Fucking super snakes. Hasta el pinche DTR.
GTR.
All right, guys, it's time to unload the truck. So we're gonna unload this. We're gonna unload this truck. Look, I got me a new tow pick today. Look, I just didn't wash it. Está con madre, no.
Oh yeah.
Anyway. God damn.
What's happening?
Make sure that camera's.
Puro chilling, güey. Aquí andamos.
Acá andamos en el show nomás mirando todos los trocas, no, mira el Coyote, puro pinche Ford Power por todos lados, güey.
Traemos la banda,
Ahí está la banda.
el corrido de Terrompoloyo.
No, el grupo de 20 pesos, güey. Hey, güey, look at that Jeep right there. What about that?
That's a fucking Blazer, güey. It's an extreme Blazer, güey.
That's extreme, güey.
¿Cómo andamos, vato?
No. All right. You?
No.
No. All right, we're just chilling out here.
At the shit here, we're just, we're just fucking around. Son of a bitch.
¿Dónde vas, güey?
We're gonna go find a parking spot.
Keep on his rim.
¡A la verga! ¡Woo! Bro, la pinche
Bueno, Nico Custom.
para que sepan a la verga.
Para que sepan como ruge león. All right, let's get off, boys. ¿Qué es? I'm a little hungry.
Y'all didn't like us drinks or what?
No, you suck ass.
You overpowered the fuck out of mine, nigga.
All of them. He sucks ass at mixing drinks.
Fuck yeah, you
That's
do.
what Eder said.
Güey, ¿por qué le pusiste tanta madre a mi drink, güey? Hey, I didn't pay for extra.
Era mía la verga.
Era de todo, güey. ¿Cómo chingado?
Oh,
We
shit.
got aesthetic dad.
Mira el Static Dad. Oh my God, what's up with the Static Dad? That shit's funny as fuck. Oh, I thought Static Dad struck.
He's on fire over there.
Fucking on fire. Help! Turn it off! Hey! Yes, sir. Vámonos, le sigue, le sigue. You think you'll fuck it up or what?
¿Cómo andan todos por todo el
Con el
fin?
car seat.
Bola de verga, va.
A la verga, ¿qué pasó, primo? Oh, shit. Valió pura verga.
Ya valió madre el güey. A la ver. He already lost his drive line. He barely went in and se acabó.
Se acabó el show. Tengo hambre, ¿dónde están mis tacos?
Vamos a ver. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
No, pues ya se acabó.
Alright, we better go get some food.
Yeah, I'm hungry, bro.
This guy needs to take his drive line out. Oh shit! ¡Púchale! Damn! Fuck, man.
Es todo.
What did he say?
I don't know, he said some mamón shit.
La mujer a la verga.
¿Dónde?
Ah, mira nomás.
Ya valió verga. Oye, ¿se huele bien o?
some good ass.
Hey, es porque es una Chevy. That's why I hit the wall. Es porque es una Chevy, güey.
It's because
Yeah,
it was
eso.
a driver's spot, güey.
No, es Chevy. Ya valió verga la troca. So,
They said next time, bro. Yeah, I was like, we just went to grab a charger. Because we already brought one for the Nick.
That's some sick shit right there, man.
Hell yeah.
acá estamos todos al 100.
Started it up.
And what's going on, guys? We're back in this vlog, and well, we did leave the show, as you can tell. But we're here. We're about to grub because we all hungry, and then we'll see what's going on after. But we're here at what's it called?
I don't know, man.
What is it called? Genghis. Puro gang.
Ala, puro gang.
Gang.
Yeah. Hopefully there ain't no photos in this motherfucker.
We'll see what we got. They say it's pretty good shit here.
Can we vlog inside?
Damn, look at that fucking setup thing guys have. Wow.
It looks pretty cool, no?
Looks famous.
Hey, look,
Hey, these
hungry or
motherfuckers. These
what?
motherfuckers are starving over there and shit. Look, they're running inside. Bullshit. Free on my ass. Where's your sweater, kid? We gotta be take care of you, and you don't even bring a sweater.
Oh, I didn't even lock my truck, wait. Ooh, I better lock it before I get.
I got it. Beep beep. I blocked mine.
Yep.
Oh shit. All right. Hit you up when we sit on the table. Laters.
Wow.
Oh fuck no. All right, but yeah.
Where you at?
We made it inside, guys. Let me see. Where's that Spain?
What?
Oh shit.
No, we're here.
Over here. Anyways, we gotta wait about 20 minutes, they said.
So 20
minutes.
Look. You look stupid as hell.
You just soup it up a little bit.
Wow, you can still see our pictures.
Look at Edward all female.
Edward's all feeding it up.
Yes, sir.
Gang.
Gang.
This is his first time coming to the show to the show with us, and he had a pretty good time. How's your time?
Ooh, it's alright. Fuck it.
Hey, it's alright. He's like me. It's alright.
Yeah.
What's up, man? Hey.
Gang.
We have a 20-minute wait, and there's like 12 tables open. Yeah, but we out here in the 505, and you know, straight out of 565, we here, boy.
Eat,
What, hey, is
earn,
he cooking
be
over?
rewarded. Yeah, gonna be over there. He's gonna hit the thing up.
He is. That'd be dope.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Damn, my pants got all fucked
Hey,
up.
look, we're
still
all
jalapeno.
starched up. Look at that. The night is young.
Chicken the fucking dumb. It's like the fucking
They just
fish.
wanna flat. They just
This is
wanna
a
flat.
fish right here. Woo woo.
But we're here.
What's up, nigga?
So,
Bye.
we're back in the vlog. We just got
Back at it.
back at it like a crack addict. Got done grubbing out here.
Yep.
And it's getting a little cold out here. We just left. What's Genesis?
Yeah, something grill.
Something grill. Build your own stir fry.
Yep.
But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's already the end of the night, end of the day. We already went to the show. Everything was pretty feed over there.
Yeah, pretty nice. Well, we can record tomorrow maybe. On our way home.
And, well, I'm gonna end this vlog
Yeah,
here, and I'll start another one tomorrow. So you guys like, subscribe, and share this. And shout out to these niggas coming over here with us.
These ways.
But
Yep,
y'all
yep.
like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
So we out. Latest.